Hello dear sweetmates, welcome to Esther Fashion and Services. My name is Zawadi. In this video, we'll be learning how to make a simple cut together sleeve bubu dress with drawstring on the waist and also have two pockets in front. To achieve this style, I used 2 meters of African print fabric. If there is anything you are interested in, make sure to keep watching and make sure to watch till the end. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and share. These are the tools I'll be using. Hope you can see them. Okay, and I have also African print material. Is 2 meter, I think it's 2 meter or 2.5 meter. I think it's 2 meter by 45 inches. So first I will fold my fabric into two like this. Can you see? I fold the fabric into two, then I will fold again into another two to make it 4. So the fabric is folded into 4, okay, because I'm going to cut the front and the back at the same time. First, draw your starting line. There's no any specific measurement for it. You can go down by 1/2 inch or 1 inch, and then you connect with your stretch rule. So this is my starting line. Like I said, there's no any specific measurement for it. Okay, so now I'm going to mark my neckline, and I will use 3 inches. 3 inches by 1.5 inch for the back. Okay, 3 inches neck width and 1.5 inch neck depth. And then I connect like this. Hope you can see what I am doing. For the front, I'm going to use 3 inches by 3 inches, the basic neckline. Then I connect it like this. Okay, the shoulder measurement I'm working with is 15 inches divided by 2 will give me 7.5 inches. I'm going to mark my 7.5 inches. I mark here 7.5 inches, and then I add the sleeve length. I will use 7 inches for the sleeve length, then I will add 1 inch for the band. Okay, I don't have enough material, but you can use more than that depending on your preference. I mark my sleeve length, then I go down here by 1.5 inch. After this, I will connect from this point from the shoulder slope to neck width. Okay, I connect it like this. Hope you understand. From shoulder to waist measurement I'm working with is 17 inches. I mark here 17 inches. Then I connect. From waist to hip measurement I'm working with is 9 inches. So I'm going to mark 9 inches here. I mark 9 inches here, then I connect with the straight rule. The length of the dress I'm working with is 45 inches, include the seam allowance for the hemming below. So my hip measurement is 44 inches. 44 inches divided by 4 will give me 11 inches. I mark here 11 inches, then I'll add 3 inches to it for ease and sewing allowance. You can add more than that, it depends of your preference. So I measure what I have here and repeat the same thing below here and mark. Okay, so for my sleeve opening I'm going to use 9 inches. I mark here 9 inches, then I extend the line like this. I'm going to mark now here my hip measurement because I use my biggest measurement for the folding. I mark here my hip measurement divided by 4, and then I add 3 inches to it. You can add more than that. Okay, I'm going to use the straight ruler and extend this line. Okay, I'm going to extend this line like this. Can you see? I extend this line. I will add the band of 1 inch or 2 inches to the sleeve. I'm going to connect all the points together with the straight ruler like this. After this, I will make as well a curve here around the sleeve, around the armhole. For the neck width for the front, I think I will use 7 inches. I'm going to mark 7 inches for now. Okay, I mark here 7 inches, then I connect like this. From the center front I will go in by 0.75 inch or 1 inch. So I go in by 1 inch. After this I will bring the straight ruler and connect all the points together. I connect straight all the way down. Okay, so after this I'm going to cut out the back. Okay, and before that I'm going to add my seam allowance for the neckline and for the shoulder as well. So I mark ½ inch like this. After this, I connect with the straight roll. Can you see? And that is all. So now I'll bring my scissors and cut out the back. I'll start with the back first. Okay, I start with the back first. When I'm done with the back, I will continue with the front. Okay, so this is it. Now I'm going to remove the back. I will remove the back and then I will continue with the front. This is the front. I will use my scissors and cut out the front. After this, I will go ahead and stitch the shoulder. I will press the front on top of the back and then I will stitch the shoulder. After stitching, I will show you the result. I place the front on top of the back, then I will go ahead and stitch. I will use ½ inch and stitch like this. I will stitch like this with ½ inch. Can you see? Then I will repeat the same thing on this side as well and I will show you the results. I'm done stitching the shoulder. Hope you can see that. I'm done stitching the shoulder. What I will be doing next, I'm going to measure the neckline. The place where I will stitch the band starting from the back neckline all the way to the front. I'm going to notch the center back. Okay, I use my scissors and notch the center back. After that, I'm going to measure starting from the center back. I will measure all the way down like this. Hope you can see what I am doing. I am measuring all the way down like this. Can you see? And I have 49 inches times 2 now. Okay, then I will add some extra inches to it. This is the band. Okay, so this is the band. Hope you can see that. And the band, the length is 106 inches. I use my scissors and notch the midpoint. Okay, I notch the midpoint. The width of the band is 2 inches on fold, and if I open is 4 inches. Yeah, I think it's 4 inches. So I'm going to place the band like this with right side facing. Then I will use my pin to hold the fabric down. Okay, so I will use the pin all the way down. After that, I will go ahead and stitch. I'm pinning to hold the fabric down. I hope you can see that. I starting from the center back all the way down on both sides. Okay, so this is it. I'm spinning and I'm done. I'm going to stitch like this. I will start from one end to the other like this. I stitch from the one end to the other like this. Okay, so I'm going to stitch. Then I will show you the result. I'm done stitching. This is how it will look like. I'm done stitching the band to the neckline, starting from the back all the way down for the front. So this is the band. Hope you can see that. This is the band. So what I'll be doing next, I'm going to mark the waist. So I will fold the dress like this. Can you see? I fold the dress this way like this. Then I will use my chalk and mark the waistline. Okay. After this, I will notch with my scissors. So you can see I notch the waist with the scissors because I'm going to draw the waist on the right side of the dress. Okay, so I open the dress and make sure the neckline are matching, the back neckline are matching, even the front also are matching. Then I will use my chalk and mark the waist on the right side like this. I'm marking on the right side of the center front on both sides. Okay, because I already notched the side of the front and the side of the back. After having all the notches and mark, now I will go ahead and connect all the points together. I connect all the points together like this on the right side of the dress. So, but before stitching the casing rope, I will go ahead and stitch the band to the sleeve first. Okay, I'm going to stitch the band. Okay, so this is the sleeve. Hope you can see that. This is the sleeve and this is the stitching. So I will bring my band and stitch the band on it. Okay, so this is the band. I cut 5 inches. Yeah, the width is 5 inches and the length is the length of the sleeve. Unfold is 2.5 inches, then I will stitch with half inch. You can use less than that, you can use 1 inch. Okay, so I don't want the sleeve to be too short. I place the band right side facing, then I will stitch with half inch, and I will repeat the same thing on the other side of the sleeve. I will place the band on the right side facing, then I will stitch like this with half inch. After that, I will show you the results. I'm done stitching the band on the sleeve, and this is how it look like. And I repeat the same thing on the other side as well. So what I'll be doing next, I'm going to stitch the side. Okay, I'm going to stitch the side. I will use half inch and stitch on both sides. Then I will show you what to do next. I'm done stitching the side. And this is how it look like. Let me turn it this way so that you can see clearly. What I'll be doing next is to stitch the casing for the rope, but I'm going to redraw again this line so that you can see clearly. This is the line for the back. Hope you can see that is the way I will stitch my casing for the rope. Okay, so this is the line. Now I'll bring my rope, okay, and stitch in between the line. This is the rope is 2 inches, then I fold half inch on both sides, and I have 1 inch. Okay, so now the rope is 1 inch. I'm going to start my stitching on the center front like this. I fold the rope on both sides with half inch, then I will place it this way like this, so the line will be in the middle of the rope. Okay, so I'll place it this way like this. Hope you can see what I am doing. Then I will stitch. This is the rope. Can you see? This is the rope, and the length is the length of the round waist of the dress. I will place it this way like this, half inch away from the center front. Then I will use my pin to hold the fabric down like this. I will pin all around the waist like this. Okay, so I pin it down with the pin. Hope you can see that. After this, I will go ahead and stitch. First, I will stitch like this all around the waist. Can you see? Then I will repeat again like this. Okay, I will stitch all around the waist like this. I will stitch the casing of the rope all around the waist. Okay, starting from one side of the center front and finish on the other side of the center front like this. Okay, so what I'll be doing next, I'm going to mark where I will place my pocket. From the waistline, I will go down by 2 inches. Okay, so from the waistline, go down by 2 inches. So I go down here from the waistline, I go down by 2 inches and mark. Then I repeat the same thing here and mark 2 inches from the waistline. Then from the center front, I go in by 2 inches as well. So this is it. After this, now I'll bring my pocket and place it. The length of the pocket is 9 inches while the width is 8 inches. You can use less or more than that depending on your preference. So this is 9 inches by 8 inches and it's 2 pieces. Okay, it's 2 pieces, and this is the black material I will use as a band on top of the pocket. Can you see? The band is folded. After this, I will go ahead and stitch with half inch and repeat the same thing on the other side as well and stitch. So let me show you with the pin how it will look like when I am done stitching. I use my pin to hold it down, and then this is how it will look like. I will trim the excess, then I will fold on the side as well. Can you see? I fold like this on the side, then I will use my pin to hold the fabric down. I use the pin to hold the fabric down like this. Can you see? After this, I fold below as well. I fold below and use the pin to hold the fabric down. I will trim first the excess. After that, I will fold on the side like this. Okay, after folding, I will use the pin to hold the fabric down. I fold it this way, then I use the pin to hold the fabric down like this. After this, I will repeat the same thing on the other side of the pocket. Then I will place the pocket on the front like this on the dress. Can you see? I will place it this way like this. After placing nice this way, then I will go ahead and stitch the pocket. Okay, so this is the pocket. I will repeat the same thing on the other pocket as well. I will stitch like this. Can you see? I will stitch like this, and this is the pocket opening. Can you see? Yeah, I will repeat the same thing on the other side of the pocket like this and stitch, but I will stitch the casing for the rope first. Okay, so I will show you the result. I'm done stitching. This is how it look like. This is the dress. Can you see how beautiful it is? I use overlock to stitch inside. I cut out the thread. Hope you can see that. And this is how it look like. I'm done stitching the casing for the rope. Can you see? This is it. I'm done stitching. So now I will go ahead and stitch the pocket. Okay, from the waistline I will go down by 2 inches. From the waistline I will go down by 2 inches and mark like this. Okay, then from the center front I will go in by 2 inches like this. After this I will bring my pocket and place it. This is the pocket. Can you see how beautiful it is? I will place it this way like this. I give it a good press. Okay, after this I will pin it down, then I will stitch like this. Can you see? I will stitch like this and repeat the same thing on the other side as well, and stitch this way like this. Okay, and stitch on the other side as well. Then I will show you what to do next. After stitching the pocket I will go ahead and stitch the front. Okay, so this is the front. I will measure my front neckline. Okay, you can use 7 inches starting from the shoulder and mark 7 inches or 8 inches or 9 depending on your preference. Okay, so I'm going to mark like this my front neckline. Okay, I repeat the same thing on the other side as well and mark. So I'm going to mark it on the wrong side because I will stitch on the wrong side. So I use my chalk and mark on the wrong side like that. After that I turn it on the wrong side and stitch. I will use my pin to hold the fabric down like this. Okay, so I use the pin to hold the fabric down like this. Hope you can see what I am doing. I'm doing very slow so that you can understand what I am doing. I pin it down like this. Can you see? After this I will check first my front neckline. Okay, I will cross check the front neckline, then I mark. I will use my chalk and mark like this. After this I will continue with the I will continue to pin it down. I'm going to measure the slit. I think I will use 6 inches and mark. This is 6 inches for the slit. Okay, then I will stitch now starting from here from the neckline. Then I will stitch with 0.25 inch down. Okay, and stop here, leave 6 inches for the slit. Okay, so this is the slit. Can you see? Okay, now I will go ahead and stitch. So before stitching, let me show you my rope as well so that I can go ahead and stitch everything at the same time. So this is the rope. This is the rope. Can you see? I fold it twice. After that I will stitch. Okay, hope you can see what I am doing. After that I will go ahead and stitch. Yeah, this is it. So I am done stitching the rope. This is the rope I will insert inside. I use my scissors and cut out the thread. After this I will take the safety pin and insert the rope inside. So I insert the rope inside. Hope you can see what I am doing. I insert the rope inside. After this now I will go ahead and stitch. Can you see? I insert the rope inside. Thank you for watching Still Esther Fashion and Services. If it's your first time on this channel, kindly do it to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. This is the end of this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.